Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video let's do an unboxing and hands-on with the new Blaupunkt BTW Pro True Wireless Earphones. So Blaupunkt is one of those brands which is a leader in terms of the truly wireless earphone experience, and they are actually pioneers in audio equipment. So we have seen a lot of audio equipments from Blaupunkt, and this is one of these truly wireless earphones, the BTW Pro. So BTW Pro is one of those true wireless earphones which is designed for professionals who not only enjoy music but also for long conversation during office hours, because it has all the features you typically find on a true wireless earphones. Now we're gonna do first the unboxing, then we'll talk about the features, the experience, and a lot more of these earphones. So this is the box package, pretty neat box package. You can see Blaupunkt True Wireless earphones BTW Pro. It has Google's Siri and dual mic functionality. We'll come back to that in a while. So here you can see that Blaupunkt established 1924 in Germany. So this is a German brand which is really pioneer in audio equipments, especially speakers, earphones, car stereo. So a lot of products they have, and Blaupunkt True Wireless BTW Pro is the latest one, the true wireless earphones. So this is the box package. It also comes with Qualcomm's aptX technology. Now in the back of the box again we get some information mentioned. So you can see that this has HD sound, high bass performance, touch controls, auto pairing, Bluetooth version 5.0, and you also get noise cancellation included, IPX7 sweat and waterproof is included. Playtime with charging case, that's 36 hours. So that's the quick rundown of specifications. So again here also you can see that this is dual mic and IPX7 waterproof, Google Siri Assistant, version 5 Bluetooth is included. So we'll just unbox this. This is a pretty neat box package. So let's just open the box package. So there you go, you can see this. So on the top you can see the earphones. So we'll just take this out. So taking this out, you can see that this is the earphones, and you also get this case. So first let's take the case out. So this is the case which has the battery inside. So you get the micro USB charging slot here. So charging the earphones and the box is through this port. And you can see that this has a pretty good finishing to it. It's a matte finishing. We have the Blaupunkt logo here, and you can see that it's pretty good casing, and if you open it you can see that there are slots for two earphones, and the charging is done through this port. So it's inside that left and right port. Now let's take the earphones out. So we'll just take this out. So we've just taken the earphones out. I can see that this is the earphone. So these are the touch controls. So we have the Blaupunkt logo also mentioned here. Then you get this earphone. So it's uniquely designed earphones. The build quality is really good. You get the charging ports here. So this is the charging port. When you insert into the charging case, it charges. This is the earbuds, and the design is quite unique actually, and the build quality is sturdy. So now we'll talk more about the earphones in a while. So first let's see what else comes inside the box. So we get this manual, instruction manual is included. So everything you wanted to know about this is included here, charging case and the controls. Now there is a quick start guide. So this is quite handy because you get the option how to pair this and some controls. You can see that double click is for play and pause the music, then click and hold the left one for previous track, click and hold the right earbud for the next song. We need to hold it for like 2 seconds. Then click is for click on the left is for volume decrease, click on the right is for volume increase. So these are some of the options. So, and if you see you can see there is also control for calling. You can also see that cancelling the call, click and hold is reject, answer the call, double click to hang up, transfer the audio, and if you want the voice assistant, triple click on the right one will take you to the voice assistant, and volume controls are also mentioned. So this is how it works. So how to place the earbuds in the ear, that's also mentioned. So that's how you can place. So this is a very interesting quick start guide, and you can see that there is also the charging mechanism. So there is an LED which flashes when the battery is in charging case. So we'll just place it. So before that, let's see what else comes inside. So you can see this is a charger included, micro USB charging cable, and you will also get additional 2 pairs of ear tips if you want to replace them. That's also included. Now let's see how the earphones work. So now we have the box and the earphones. So this is how you insert the earphones into the box. So now you can see that the light is glowing, and there is also red light which indicates that this is now in charging mode. So you can actually see the red lights, so that means they are in charging mode, and you can see this is how it works. So this is quite handy. It's a pretty compact case as well. The material quality also looks good, and it fits perfectly into this, and you can see there is a magnetic mechanism as well, so it doesn't fall out. So that's how the charging works. Now talking about the quality of the earphone, so this is one area where we are pretty impressed with the overall quality. The sound quality is really good, that we don't have any doubts, because Bluapunkt is already a pioneer in audio equipment, so that's where this has really good quality. And the bass performance was really impressive. We played a lot of songs with a really good bass, and we're quite impressed on how it came out. And we have been using this for quite some time, so we have used it outside, and even during our workouts it did not have any sort of issues, and the sound quality was really impressive. That's where Blaupunkt excels. It's already a pioneer in terms of the audio quality. So you get all these the click option, so double click and other options, so what we have mentioned, so that is also included. That's how we tap based on the left or right it works. So that's the Bluetooth earphones, the true wireless Bluetooth earphones from Blaupunkt, the BTW Pro. Now if you talk about the battery performance, it was really good, and this has also a higher capacity battery, which means you can get clearly like 6 to 7 hours in one charge, and even with the case you get a really good battery life. And this also has a dual mic functionality. So there are two mics actually, one here and one on the top. So there are dual mic functionality, which helps in reducing the noise. So there is some noise cancellation also included. So we actually tested it, and we could really filter out the noise while listening to these earphones. So in that way also this is good, and again IPX7 rating is included. Now the sound quality, as I said before, was really good. So that was the unboxing and hands-on with the Bluetooth earphones, the true wireless Bluetooth earphones from Blaupunkt, the BTW Pro. So these are available on Amazon for price of rupees 6,999. That's almost 7,000 rupees. So in case you're interested, we'll share the link in the description of this video. You can go ahead and buy from Amazon. This is available in two colors. One is the black one, and there is also gray variant. So these are the two color variants available. So that was unboxing and hands-on video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button, and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Umar signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.